Okay, hello people. Bit of a quick video. I've made a spiky, steaky doodah. So I'm just about to go and beat that in. So bear with me. Okay, hello. So this is our hole. No, not now, don't do it now. Anyway, I can't mess around, I've got to beat this in. Right, I've just pulled myself out of the engine room. Oh, I'm rather filthy. I've just noticed myself in the mirror. Definitely be having a shower tonight then. And my bum is wet, so that's probably fucking filthy. Right, let's see down there. Right, I'm making myself a cup of tea because I fucking need one. So, I'm sorry I haven't got a video of it plugged. Just make sure yeah, I haven't got a video of it. Me plugging the hole because it was quite hard to hold the phone and the torch and suck with the Hoover. So I just got a bit of wood actually from there. So it's a decent bit of wood. About that size. Shaved it down into like a sort of a spiky, but not super point. So, and then just beat it in. And, probably beat it in about 2 inches. I know it ain't a lot. Problem I've got is where I'm underneath. It's like my knees up like, lucky, you might be able to see my bollocks. My knees up like this, and I've got my fucking holding it like that, and I'm trying to beat it like this. It's interesting. But I've got it in there for now. I've actually got water coming in, not in the boat, but the tide is coming in. I just thought I had a bit of bubbling in. But so we shall see. I reckon in an hour. Keep thinking I hear things, hearing a little. Yeah, but hopefully in about an hour I should see whether that bung is held, and if that bung's held, I'm kind of winning a little bit because it means I can dry the bottom of the boat out. I'll do my best to try and stick you in there somehow. But yeah, it's going alright. No, not too bad. I think I might even treat myself to Toby Carvery tonight because I need some good food. Don't get me wrong, my baked beans were lovely, but I don't really want beans again. Quite fancy stuffing. So, I'll brew my tea because it's nearly whistling. Just gets better and better. Silver lining though, I've now got a clean floor. Bad lining. I've burnt both of my feet and spilt my mug of tea. I say mug, it's more like a fucking 40-gallon drum. Oh, all I wanted was to have a lovely cup of tea, so that's all I got. Oh wonderful, that cup of tea. Well deserved, I said. Well deserved. Better fucking make a new one then. I still need a cup of tea. And chill out. I still need to wash my face. Just fucking do that now. Need a lighter. Bear with me. I thought I left the lighter up here. I said to myself, leave a lighter up there. So I've always got one. Okay, hello, we are back. Oh, my feet are actually really sore. I think I may have a blister. Boring. All my toes really hurt. It's toes. I'll show you. Look at those little buggers. All red and sore and pink and on fire. Oh, it hurts. Right. The womanly duties. This is how you makeup freaks feel every time you come back from a party. Oh, do I look dazzling? Fuck me, my feet hurt. My feet really hurt. I did it. I was sitting in a bucket of water. Right, I don't have a mirror up here, unfortunately, so... Well, as best as I'm going to get it for now. See you in a second.